Hey, what's up? It's Ollie with Kate the Jeep and 511 sponsored Jeep project. Today, going to show you guys a cool little thing I got from the wife. Bartact front seat covers. I'll probably go and get the rear seat covers soon, but we'll start with the fronts, get those installed, see how they look, and I'm sure it's going to be amazing. That's Jackson. Really? Okay, I don't think you can co-host with me.
What?
So I don't think you can co-host with me if this is how you're going to be
Okay.
acting. Oh, well, I was going to do a segment to show people all about the new seat covers I got.
Oh no!
Yeah. You want me to cut out that stuff that you did earlier?
No.
Should we show everyone the cool seat covers Mom got me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this was a Father's Day present, and the wife totally hooked it up with some Bartact seat covers. These are pretty awesome. I was really looking forward to getting them. So yeah, this is the front right here.
How can I feel my body in this?
You probably could feel your body in this. It's got a really cool zippered. Hang on a second,
Okay.
it's got a really cool zippered back section, and the entire back is covered in moly, just standard moly, as you can see, and was thinking about incorporating some hex grid on here, and might still do that, but as is, they're awesome. They're awesome seat covers. They're gonna really make the Jeep stand out, look real nice. So that's the top of the seat. And then it comes with the bottoms. It's got full instructions on how to install. But this is really cool. It's got a little pocket, so when you're seated, you got a little front pocket that you can put some stuff in behind your legs. I like that. Let's see. And then it also comes with the headrest covers. Right here. So yeah, I'm excited to get these on. Let's see how it turns out. How you doing over there?
Good.
He's good.